Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum. I am Wan Muhammad Arif, B1 Muhammad Noor. So today I will present about my workshop 1 system, which is Sky Planet Food Ordering System. First, I will talk about introduction. The proposed undertaking is a Sky Planet drive-thru ordering system that gives team of workers or any person an easy way to replace all orders from customers into the system. This has one element, which is the person is the staff or admin of the restaurant. The customer will make an order at the drive-thru station and the staff will update it into the system and all records can be obtained through the admin after the order is finished. Okay. Next, I will talk about problem statement of my system. We all know that we must physically visit the restaurant or cafe in order to place an order. When there is a system like this one that enables the admin to easily press the food selection made by the client, it will occasionally be quite laborious for the compounder or result in the order be taken, being interrupted, and unmanaged. If orders are simply placed on paper, existing record may also be preserved on site. Finding the customer order details again when necessary is very difficult. If there are too many clients, other issue can arise due to the congestion on the property. So my system objective is to develop and design a good system in making customer orders and keep the details of orders made. Second is to facilitate users in various angle and user-friendly. Okay, for the last is to save users time to place orders and can avoid congestion in the restaurant. So my system has a system scope and user scope. For the system scope, it has admin or staff registration. So the admin or the staff has to register first to log in into the system. After the registration has been made, the admin or staff will have to log in into the system to make an to make an add, update, edit, or delete product and take an order. In my system also has a add, update, edit module that admin can add new food and update food such as delete food, change the price, and so on. My system also have an add order module that staff can take an order and update food such as delete order quantity, but staff must log in first before add or make an update about the order. Next, my system also have a module that can list all product. In this section, staff and admin can see the type of food, drinks, and side dish according to the existing categories. Next is search product by categories module. In this section, the staff and admin can view all the product that existing in the system. Okay, next is order details module. In this section, the list of customer order will be put and staff and admin can check the order, product, quantity, and subtotal made by each customer. Okay, for the last system scope is report. In the report section, where the manager can click on the report section, manager can view the total sale graph. After that, the bar graph will appear on the output. Okay, for the user scope, it has only two, manager and staff. For the manager will add new product, update, and also delete. Manager also can view the report and all the product by choose the option. For the staff will make an order on the drive-thru by the customer orders. Okay, next we move to the ERD. In my system only have 3 table in the database, which is account, product, and order table. In account table, it has account ID, account password, name, role, and email for the admin or staff that has been registered into the system. In order table, it contains the order details like name, price, quantity, ID, total price, date, time, and so on. For the product table contain the product details such as ID, name, category, and so on. Okay, for the conclusion, the system has provided a widely benefit, which is in a busy restaurant, there is a potential that the waiters will be overwhelmed with orders and unable to satisfactorily service the needs of the customer. As a result, the staff can directly order food from the kitchen by online, only using the system. Last but not least, the customer also save their time for waiting the food to be served, save energy, and doesn't need to go anywhere. Just sit in their car and waiting for the food to be delivered. Ordering food will become simpler and quicker as a result of this. Okay, for the next part, I will show you the demo of the system. Okay, this is my system interface. For the first time user, we will have to register first. So I will show you the registration. So it uh it need we to put an account name. So I will put Sophia. Okay, the password I will show you first the error handling that I made. Okay, the system detect a weak password. The password must have one lowercase, one uppercase, one special character, more than 8 character long, and a digit. The system need us to re-enter the password. Okay, I re-enter the correct password. Okay, now the system has detected a strong password. So I put an account email. I will show you the error handling of this section. Okay, the system detect an invalid email. So the system also ask we to try again through email. Now the email is valid. I will sign in as a role. I will sign in a role as a manager. Okay. Now, the person, which is Sophia, is registered into the system. Now we have to log in. We have to put the email and the password. I will show you the error handling of this section. Okay. Now if you can see, it appear invalid email password. Want to try again? So I will try again. I will put the correct email and the correct password. Okay, now Sophia has been logged in into the system. So as we do just now, we press 1 for the manager. Okay. This is my manager interface. So as you can see, it has view of product module, view category, add product, update product, delete product, view report, and so on. So I will show you the view of product module first. Okay. This is my product that I have been entered. So as you can see here, this is a category for the product, the price, and the size. It has several categories like drinks, burger, add-on, rice. Okay. I will show you the view category module. The view category module is to show the food by category. I will show a drink category. So it only show the drinks product. So as you can see here, it's only contain a drinks category. Okay, now I show you the add product. So we add a product nasi kerabu, category rice, price 10 ringgit, size, I will put a regular. Okay, now the nasi kerabu product has been successfully added into a system. So if we want to check the product, I will press 1 again to view our product. So the nasi kerabu has been entered into the system with their category, price, and size that we have entered. So I want to show you the update product module. So I try to update a nasi kerabu product. It contains an ID of 15. Okay, so I press 4 to update. Product ID of nasi kerabu is 15. New name, I put nasi kerabu sedap. Category rice, I change the price to 13. The size, I rather not to put the size here. Okay, now the update has successfully updated. Okay, I want to check whether it has been updated or not. Okay, so the product has been updated. The name to nasi kerabu sedap. Price also changed to 13. Like before, the price I make 10 ringgit, and the size also gone. I not put the size just now. Okay, now I show you the delete product module. So I try to delete nasi kerabu sedap product. So I press 5. I enter the nasi kerabu ID, which is 15. Okay, now the nasi kerabu sedap has been deleted. Okay, now I show you the report. Okay, this is my system. This is my system report. It show a bar, a graph, and total sale. Okay, now I want to change the report. If we want to change the report, we have to take an order, which is we have to sign in as a staff. So I log out from the manager interface. I will sign in as a staff. Okay, now I press 2 to log in as a staff. Okay, now the person Sophia has been logged in as a staff, and this is my system staff interface. It contains a view all product, view by category, take order, and so on. So I view a product first. Okay. This is a product that I have been entered. So I show you the view by category. So I want to view a burger only. So I press 2. I put the category burger. So now the system only show a burger category, which is chicken burger. cheesy burger, and Hotash burger with their price and size. Okay, I want to take an order. So to easily take an order, I view all product. I press 1. It contain all the product. And I take an order. I press 3. So the system need us to enter a product ID of the food that we want to take an order. So the customer want a nasi lemak. So I put a 12 number, which is ID of the nasi lemak. 12. Okay, the system detect nasi lemak and the price 10 ringgit. So the customer want 2 nasi lemak. So I enter 2. Okay, the total price is, sorry, the total price is 20 ringgit because I enter a 2 quantity. Okay, the system also show the time and date order, which is today, and the exact time, and order added. Okay, now I take an order again. I view a product. Okay. For this time, I want to take an order for the drinks. Okay, I press 3. I take a Fanta strawberry, which is the ID is 5. I put 5. Okay, the system detect a Fanta strawberry item, and the price for the Fanta strawberry is 2 ringgit and 30 cent. So the customer want only 2 Fanta. Okay, the system calculate the total price, which is 4 ringgit and 60 cent, and the time and date ordered. And it also show the order added. Okay, now we want to see the report again. So we log out as a staff, and we log in as a manager because manager only can see the report. So I enter the email again. I press 1 for the manager. Okay, now I want to see the report. Okay, like you can see, the graph has been changed. It changed to the Fanta strawberry. It has a star which assigned as a graph for my system, and the total sales of the Fanta strawberry order. Okay, and nasi lemak also. It contain a total price of nasi lemak has been ordered, and the graph. Okay, that's all for my system. Thank you and have a nice day.